Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, let me share you how to add subtitles to your YouTube videos or a TikTok videos, whether it's a landscape or a vertical type of video. So you can easily add automatic subtitles to your video. I have recently exported a video here. So now we are going to add the subtitles for this video. Well, firstly, just head into your Google Chrome browser or any other browser and go for this website. I have given the link in the description, captionbolt.com. And once you enter here at top right, click on the login and log in with your Google ID. So it's very simple only. Just to click on sign in with the Google. So I have already logged in. Now, once you enter, now this is the dashboard, and here you will see all the menus, and under the projects, you see what all the projects you are completed recently, and there is a transcript option. Just to upload the video or content, you will get a transcript for that. Then there is a fonts. If you have any custom font, you can upload it here. Now, the easy thing is that you have to upload your video. Just to click on choose a video. So here is that video. Just to click on that open. Now, once you uploaded, here is a spoken language and there is a auto detect option and also multiple languages available. So just to leave it as auto detect or select your language. Now, just to click on that create video. Now it takes some time. So it actually upload your video to the caption bolt server and after that it work on. It takes few minutes. So now you'll see a screen like preparing your video. So just wait for a few minutes. Once the process completed, now you'll see a page like this. Now you can see your video and here is all the caption styles. So 300 plus styles available. So you can just play the video here. Hey guys. And during the playtime itself, you can change the caption style. Now the caption automatically, the style automatically change. So like that, you can change to the different caption. So just to select the caption you like. And afterwards, if you want to customize, here at the top, there is a customize option. Click on the customize. And here there is a font style. If you want any other font style, means you can change that font weight, font size, and text color also you can change. And caption position like align to the top or mid or bottom like that. You can pick the bottom and then typography layout option is here. Outline and background. So what background and outline you want. And also there is some animation type here. So entrance animation is spring scale. So there is a different animation like slide left to right, the bounce up, fade or pop and rotate like that. So this is the animation for the caption. For slide left and right, so this is the animation. Slide left and right is also really good. Overall, this caption settings, elements and all the animation really gives good engagement to your video. And finally, there is a keyword emphasizes. So here you can highlight important words with style specific color and scale. So you can add a keyword and for that keyword, you can create a customized design as well. Now, after complete the customization, now once go to the text editor, here you can see all your captions. So what all your said, you can see all your transcript. So if you want to edit anything or if you want to change anything, if you want to edit or change anything, you can do it here before publishing, before exporting the video. And finally, there is a resize option. You can also resize the entire video also. You want 9:16 series like for TikTok or Instagram stories or for Facebook or Instagram feed or for YouTube. So based on the your requirement, you can change the video size also. Then there is a auto b-roll like that option. So it's a AI b-roll suggestions. Just to click on auto add b-roll. So now it actually analyze your total video. In any of your video, if there is a requirement for any alternate AI videos, means it automatically insert that. Now here it already added some b-rolls like this. It automatically insert AI b-rolls based on your video requirements. If you want, you can do this customization also. Then finally, there is a logos option. So if you want to add your channel logo, means you can just add your channel logo, then it will be shown in your video. So I just uploaded my logo. So now my logo is here. So you can customize the size and opacity of the logo. Not only the automatic subtitles, and additionally you will get a lot of customization to edit your videos without the video editing software. And there is a show progress bar feature also once you enable. So the progress bar here at the bottom, the progress bar is added. So based on your total video length, the progress bar shows the when the video is going to complete like that. you can reduce its thickness and you can change the position, and top position is really good for the progress bar. And also here is one more AI related feature, so which is called a social post. You can create editable post captions, titles, description, and tags for TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. So based on your video, it automatically creates the titles, description, and tags, all of it. So you have to just copy and paste it in your YouTube channel, in your YouTube dashboard, or in your Instagram, TikTok account. And finally, here is a template option. So if you want any other template, it's already pre-created template. If you want that, means you can create it here. The template is available for different platforms like Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube. So overall, it's a very good platform to create the automatic subtitles, English subtitles or whatever language subtitles you want. You can create that in your videos, and also you can customize your video with the different features like automatic b-roll addition, and you can upload your channel logos, and you can add your progress bar, and you can create the titles, description, tags automatically using the content you are uploaded. So it's a AI process, and you can edit your captions. So if you can just read all your subtitles. So if you want any correction, if you want to make any correction, means you can do it here. Then there is a 300 plus caption style. So whatever style you want, you can do that. And also you can customize the captions based on your personal wish also. Overall, once you completed your video, and after that, here is the option export video option. Just to click on that. So now the processing has been started. So now it actually rendering the video. Once the rendering is completed, you can download your video easily. The rendering time will differ based on your video length. If you do it for your shorts video, like under 1 minute video means, then it takes immediately, but it's a long video. So for mine, it takes 45 minutes to render the video. Well, in this way, you can add English subtitles to your YouTube, TikTok videos. Well, that's it on this video, guys. Hopefully, if you like this video, hit the like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.